Hey everybody! So this week my nostalgia level has been through the roof. So years and years ago, I had traveled to Tennessee, and the route I took me through northern Mississippi to a town famous for a type of burger called Slugburgers, and they originated during the Great Depression as a way to kind of stretch food. And back then, my allergies hadn't fully manifested. So today, I was just feeling really nostalgic, and I wanted to find a way to make slug burgers where I can eat them now that I have grain, soy, and corn allergies. So today, and I also have a genetic version of fatty liver disease. So I didn't use beef in this one. I used ground chicken. So hopefully that will turn out good. And I used some leftover crumbles from some coconut rolls that I had. Normally I would have made this, and I have before, with almond flour, but I was feeling kind of thrifty and using what I had to, which I do have almond flour, but I didn't want all these to go to waste. I actually still have about a quarter of a jar still of these coconut crumbles. And I mean, that's kind of in the spirit of what slug burgers were created for, is a way to be thrifty, to utilize what you had, and to make your food stretch. So I am really, really excited to have made these. I hope they turn out really good. Well, actually, I'll go ahead and take a bite out of one right now. I think I already pulled this one up a little bit ago. And yes, I like to cook I'm trying to transition to cooking more on ceramic and glass instead of metals and tin and foil. So that's why I have this cooked on a plate. So here we go. Let's see how this tastes. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is so good. And y'all, I didn't really even season this meat. I got this all natural, no antibiotic ground chicken from a local health food store. And it already has so much flavor that I'm glad I didn't put like any seasoning in it. And the coconut crumbles just give it a little bit of a sweetness to it, but it's subtle. It's not overpowering, and it tastes. I was not expecting it to taste this good. This is really, really good. Oh my goodness. And you can see the coconut flakes is just kind of melted in there, and oh my gosh, this is really good, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in and for joining me on this trip down memory lane today. And I hope if y'all do ever make this, that y'all enjoy it. I've made it with almond flour before. I'm sure you can make it with any other flour alternatives. I just have only tried it with almond flour, and the coconut flakes from coconut rolls like you buy as a snack. So far between the two, I like the coconut roll flakes better than the almond flour, but the almond flour is still good. You just have to add more spices to it to kind of give it more flavor. Otherwise, it kind of tastes like you're eating meaty powder. So thank y'all for tuning in, and I will see y'all in the next one.